So we just ran our first kind of full test of most of the stuff attached. We were able to get under the low bar, but we figured out that once we attach our manipulator arm that we want to put on after, it's gonna hit the top of the bar when we go over. So we're working on fixing that right now. We were successfully able to go over the rough terrain in the moat. And we can do that by going slow, or we can do that by just kind of what we're calling Dukes of Hazarding it and just jumping over. So we think we might be able to get over the 4.5 inch by 4.5 inch block too.
As you can see, we got the tomahawks attached, so those are what we're going to use to push as we hit the gate thing that slides up and down to push that out of the way. And then the next thing we're working on while Jim gets those finished up is adding a roller on the front to control the ball. So we've got the motor attached, and we're just going to use this hex shaft from the intake kit from Andy Mark, along with these 4 wheels. And do you have the ball, Jim? Can we talk through that? The tomahawks will help filter in the ball, and then it's just gonna roll in under here, and we can hold it as we drive around in this area. So that's where we're at right now, and we've got a few more hours to get this done.
So what we've been working on is getting all of our pneumatics hooked up for the 2 pistons that are going to be used for the arms. And since we have all that hooked up, the spaghetti that you see in blue, we're now testing. And what you saw was the arms being tested and adjusting our pressure and adjusting our flow valves for both of the pistons in order to make them as close as possible to being about equal. So it raises and it lowers just about at the same rate.